guard up.
Oh, good deep, but unfortunately landed on the groin. But a good intercept, otherwise he was a little bit higher. Perfectly controlling distance at the moment. Giri closing in with the left kick.
There's a low kick.
That's a good calf kick. Niloshan's keeping his distance with the deep.
Here is just Giri is getting close into.
We're almost at the end of the first round. Giri needs to defend those punches by moving forward, I think.
Yeah.
What do you think about that round, Mari?
Yeah, of course. It's just this round started so calmly, and the fighters is Muay Thai, right? So it's a sport of discipline and respect.
I think the slow-paced start was a good thing.
Yeah.
Both fighters measuring each other out. I think though Niloshan landed a little bit more strikes in this round. However, Giri I feel is measuring the distance right now, and once he figures out the rhythm of his opponent, I think he'll up his pace a little bit more.
Exactly.
Both corners talking to their fighters, prepping up for the second round. I think Giri has started scoring in this round a little bit more than the previous one.
And then the second round starts.
Okay, it's time to go again. Second round starting off.
Okay. Now.
Yeah, Giri has to watch out as he goes forward. He's going forward with his chin up. It's not a good sign. Niloshan's waiting to land those punches. He's throwing deeps to manage distance.
Nice. Oh, that's a good catch. He missed it. This round really started aggressive, right? It was electric start.
Yeah, it was a good start. I think they're both wary of each other, but Niloshan's still landing more punches and kicks. He's scoring more right now. So Giri needs to cut him off, not just follow him in a circle. He needs to cut him off to the corner and clinch. Now for some reason, he's just allowing Niloshan to get out. Okay, now he should throw his elbows.
Oh, he just...
Niloshan's playing smart. He doesn't let Giri get in the clinch. He knows that the clinch is going to be difficult. I feel like he's using his long-range strikes, his straight punches. He's using his deep to keep that distance.
There's so many low kicks, tips. He just goes with so many body punches also, right?
Yes.
With so many elbows.
Yeah, body punches are going to tire you out,
Yeah.
right? However, you can see that right hand coming. So if Giri can throw some hooks, he should be able to do something. He's trying to land that downward elbow, but the range is not right.
Yes, he does. Right? He just sees the guard up.
Yeah, definitely. This is a very electrifying match, as Mariam said in the beginning.
They're going so many low kicks. Oh!
He's taking a lot of leg kicks as well, hoping he's going in for that clinch now.
Jab always. He's like,
He's throwing his jab, yes.
Elbow. They're just trying to go into the clinch, but they couldn't.
I feel like Niloshan, now the elbows have started to land by Giri. Niloshan will focus on breaking the clinch most probably. The clinch should be broken now. Not supposed to clinch from the back. Once again, Niloshan trying to keep the distance. with a frame, throwing punches to the body. However, this is Giri's range. Giri is going to dominate this.
Giri again is attacking, and it seems like a blue corner's Nilosha has been split. Quick medical attention may be required. We're into the last 10 seconds of the round, which pretty much means that we're going to probably move in to the round break shortly. Again, Giri's most dangerous weapon is his elbows. This has been said many a times, even during his fights in Italy. And he recently came off with a win at the WBC Invitational in Thailand. So, again, those elbows are without a doubt the most dangerous thing that he has in his arsenal.
Absolutely, that was...
Yeah, the Giri's elbows are legendary, right? Everybody knows about it. When you close in the distance with this guy, he is going to slash you with his elbows, and it seems to be working. And if this cut blinds Niloshan and he cannot fight, the fight's pretty much over. But for the moment, it looks like they are cleaning it up pretty well. Let's see what the doctor says.
Yeah, and yes, we are definitely talking a lot about Giridharan at this time. Not going to be biased here, but having been in the ring with him just on practice, we've seen. And in fact, it looks like we now have a conclusion to the first bout of Unleash 002. And we will now wait for the final announcement.
What a great fight that was. Started out slow and now ended with quick elbows from Giridharan.
Yeah, it was just the second round. Seems like the blue corner is Nilosha is highly injured, right?
Yeah, he got cut above the eyebrow, so that's you can't really continue after a shot like that. Right?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
you can't see in Muay Thai, you're not allowed to fight, you're not allowed to continue the round. But to be fair, Niloshan played quite well in the beginning and he was landing a lot of shots. He was keeping his range. He was not letting Giri get close. However, Giri managed to find his way through, and once he's through, the elbow's coming at you. So all right.
Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Fight ends with a referee stop contest due to injury. We'd like to call Mr. Kaz De Silva to present the medal to our winner. And our winner in the red corner, Giridharan, the Slim Reaper, Ganesh!